Welcome back. Today is day number 7. We're doing a 10-part small series on the 10 disaster planning essentials for a small business. We're doing number 7 today. That's using full image backup for your servers. There's many different types of backups that are available. There's files and folders. There's some people call like previous versions as a backup, things like that. I want to talk to you about the full image. Right? Full image basically takes a mirror of your entire server. It's one-for-one duplicate. Why is this important? In case of business continuity or disaster recovery, we're able to restore that image much more efficiently, quicker, right? More importantly, it doesn't have to be to the same hardware. Not too long ago, when we were dealing with earlier versions of Windows, let's say if you had the backup, right, you had a Dell server in your office, you backed it up, and let's say that thing died, and the only thing you were able to get is an HP server quickly, chances are those backups would not really work well. It would take a lot longer to restore and recreate them because all the drivers and everything else, it was just a nightmare to deal with. Well, nowadays, that's mostly not an issue, especially with virtualization. We're able to restore to any kind of hardware. It's hardware agnostic, so it doesn't matter if it's Dell, HP, Lenovo, custom built server, it doesn't really matter. We're able to restore quickly because we're using those full image backups. It's taking your entire server, so all the applications, databases, files, permissions, security, everything, and they're stored in a single click, versus if you're just doing files and folders, well, you have to reinstall the operating system. You have to recreate all the user accounts, permissions, security, and all that stuff. Restore the data, map the data. It's a pain in the butt, to say the least. More importantly, instead of being down for a few hours, you might be down for a week or 2 weeks by trying to recreate everything. So having those full image backups, that's the secret to success when something happens. The other beautiful part about having those full image backups is it works backwards. You don't necessarily have to restore the full server if you're just looking for a single file or a setting. It does that as well at an item level, right? You can restore a single file, a folder, a drive, a specific user if it's Active Directory or Exchange, specific database, specific records within database. So that's basically the newest and the greatest technology that we're fortunate as IT companies, IT providers to have, because we're able to support our clients and provide that disaster recovery, business continuity much more efficient and simpler, and more importantly, a lot more cost effective. I'm Igor Pinchevsky, CEO, itfirm.com. Thank you for watching. If you need help with your backups of any kind or any other IT or security issues, please reach out to us. Our contact information is below. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.